When you leave, I want to tell you this. If you have a cell phone and you don't have to race to get somewhere, I'd be honored to have my picture taken with you. You will receive your metaphorical goats when you walk out. I will be up here signing autographed retro bill photos if you would like one. But before you leave, please remember this. To all of you here, note this. If you had to go to school every day and wear a jersey, your jersey would all have that logo on it. Your jersey would more than likely have this flag on one arm. Your jersey would probably also have the provincial flag on the other arm. And that says this to me, and I hope it does to you. We may not wear a jersey or a uniform every day of our lives into school, but you are all on the same team. Teammates may rub each other the wrong way once in a while. All the great ones do. But teammates do learn to talk it out, work it out, and get their game on. Students, it's been my honor to speak to you. When you walk out, remember, the choices you make, the healthy, kind ones, are as easy as this. In 1 second, we can decide to do something respectful. Or in 1 second, we can decide to do something that is not. It only takes a moment. I hope you will always, in your words, in your actions, in the things you do, you will choose your heart. Because your heart will always show you the way. Peace.